everyone, it's Mrs. Summer here to talk about lesson 704, Diluting Solutions. In this lesson, students will be able to define dilutions and calculate the molarity and volume needed to dilute a solution using the formula M1V1 equals M2V2. If you recall, measuring how much a solute is in solution is molarity. So molarity or molar concentration is the measure of concentration of a solute in a solution. The unit for molarity is moles per liter. So molarity, we have moles of solute divided by liters of solution. We have our handy triangle here. So moles of solute divided by molarity, you get liters of solution. Liters of solution times molarity, you get moles. And moles divided by liters, you get molarity. So what is dilution? Dilution is the process of lowering the concentration of a solute in solution, usually by mixing it with more solvent. So to calculate how much of a concentrated solution to add to a new solution can be done using this equation. M1V1 equals M2V2, where M1 is the molarity of the first solution and is called the stock solution. Volume 1 is the volume of the first solution. M2 is the molarity of the diluted solution, and V is the volume of the diluted solution. So this stock solution before you dilute it, and after dilution, after you add water, the two beakers contain the same number of moles of solute. It's just that their concentration has changed. So calculate the needed value for dilution. Identify the givens and convert if necessary. So if you're given milliliters, you must first convert to liters, and then rearrange the equation to solve for the correct variable, and then plug in your givens and make the calculations. So, example, if you dilute 175 milliliters of a 1.5 molar solution of lithium chloride to 1 liter, determine the new concentration of the solution. So our M1 was 1.6 molar. Our V1 is 0.175 liters because we have to convert the 175 milliliters to liters. Our M2 is what we don't know. And we know our new volume would be 1.0 liters. So then we need to rearrange the equation to solve for the correct variables. So we're trying to solve for M2. So we'll divide both sides by V2. We get M1 V1 over V2 equals M2. And then we're going to plug in our concentrations, or our givens, and perform the calculation. So we have 1.6 molar times 0.175 liter over 1.0 liters equals 0.28 molar solution. Okay, this question is, you need to make 10 liters of a 1.2 molar KNO3. What is the initial concentration if you only used 2.5 liters of that initial solution? So the initial concentration, we don't know. Our V1 was 2.5 liters. Our molarity 2 would be 1.2 molars because that's what you're trying to make. And our V2 is 10.0 liters. So now step 2 is to rearrange the equation to solve for the correct variable. So I'm solving for M1, so I'm going to divide both sides by V1. So we get M1 is equal to M2V2 over V1. And then plug in the givens. I have M1 is equal to 1.2 molar times 10.0 liters divided by 2.5 liters. And when I perform those calculations, I get 4.8 molar solution. So the initial stock solution was 4.8 molars, and then you used it to make 10 liters in order to create a 1.2 molar solution.